My dear kids, Assalamu alaikum, all of you. How are you all? Wave your hands. How are you all? Very nice. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, my lovely kids, this is your science class. Which class? Come on. Science class. Very good. And today, our topic is about, see here, our topic is about clothes we wear. What's our topic? Yes, repeat after me, my lovely kids. Clothes we wear. Can you repeat? Can you repeat, everyone? Yes, clothes we wear. Very good, very good. Super. So, my lovely kids, today we're going to learn about clothes. What's your favorite dress? See, what's your favorite dress? Come on, you all have your favorite dresses now? Very good, very good. So, my dear kids, we all wear beautiful clothes. Clothes cover our entire body. Clothes are one of our basic needs. See, my dear kids, clothes protect us from heat, rain, cold, dust, and insect bites. See, my dear kids, if we don't wear clothes, what will happen? What will happen? Let me show you. See the insects. Oh my God, I'm so scared. See the insects. Oh, I'm so scared. See, they will bite us. Oh, they will bite us and we fall sick. So, my lovely kids, clothes protect us from these insects. See? You scared now? See? If we don't wear clothes, they will bite us and we fall sick. So, my dear kids, clothes protect us from heat, from cold, dust, and insect bites. So, dear kids, can you tell me, do we wear the same clothes throughout the year? Yes, yes. Do we wear the same clothes throughout the year? Yes, you can tell me the answer by nodding your head. If yes, then say this. If no, then say no. No, very good, very good. We wear different clothes in different seasons. Like we dress up according to the seasons. We dress up according to the occasions. Like we wear bright and colorful clothes on festivals. ईद आ रही है ना, किस किसने कपड़े लाए हैं? Raise your hand. किस किसने नए कपड़े लाए हैं? Very good. So सबों ने beautiful dresses लाए होंगे, isn't it? So my dear kids, we wear different clothes on different occasions. So my dear kids, clothes protect us from heat, rain, cold, dust, and insect bites. And we wear different clothes in different seasons. Let's talk about the summer season, okay? So my dear kids, in summer season, it's very hot now in summer season. The sun is shining very brightly. आज कौन सा season है? कौन सा season चल रहा है? Is it summer season? Summer season है. If yes, then nod your head. Is it summer or winter? Summer. Very good. You're my brilliant kids. So in summer season, we wear the clothes that keep our body, yes, that keep us cool. जो हमें ठंडक देता है. See, we wear cotton clothes. In summer, we wear cotton clothes. Cotton clothes give us relief from the heat of the sun. See, sun कितना bright होता है, कितना bright होता है sun? बहुत heat देता है नहीं summer में. So, we wear cotton clothes in summer season. During summer season, we wear cotton clothes. Cotton clothes keep us cool. They give us relief from the heat of sun. See, my dear kids, I'm showing you some cotton clothes. Let me show you some cotton clothes. See, I'm going to show you some cotton clothes. Wow, see what's in my hand? Wow. Come on, tell me. क्या है, कौन सा है ये? Which cloth is it? Come on, read the spelling. Loudly, everyone. It's T-S-H-I. Yes, come on, read the spelling. S-H-I-R-T. It's T-shirt. Very good. So, we wear T-shirt during summers. It's made up of cotton. See, we also wear shirt. See, shirts भी लगाते हो ना आप? See, wow, see this beautiful shirt. So we wear different clothes during summers, like this. See, I'm showing you some clothes. Wow, see, top. Very nice. It's beautiful top. So my dear kids, we wear cotton clothes during summers. Can you tell me where we get cotton? Yes, can you tell me where we get cotton? Yes, we get cotton from, see what's in my hand? Wow, we get cotton from cotton plant. See, ऐसे बनता है cotton. Then इसको निकाला जाता है. It's taken to the factory to make the cotton cloth. See, what is this? What is this? Come on, read loudly, my lovely kids. What is this? Loudly, cotton plant. So we get cotton from cotton plant. Very nice, very nice. Read loudly one more time. Come on. What's it? Yes, cotton plant. Very good, very good. So, my dear kids, we get cotton from cotton plant. Now, let's talk about the winter season. See, my dear kids, look towards the board. Look towards the board, my lovely kids. What's here? See, इस boy ने क्या पहना है? क्या पहना है इसने? Yes, everyone see this? Beanie लगाई है, muffler, jacket. See, boots. So, these are the winter clothes, now. Yes, during winters, it's very cold now during winters. So we wear clothes that keep us warm. So my dear kids, we wear woolen clothes during winters. Come on, tell me, which clothes do we wear in woolen? Which clothes do we wear in winter? Yes, yes. Which clothes do we wear in winter? Yes, we wear woolen clothes in winter season. Very good, very good. We wear muffler, we wear jacket, we wear beanie. See the beanie? See? We wear beanie. See? I'm showing you some winter clothes. Wow, what's in my hand? Wow, see? This is sweater. We wear sweater. See? Come on, read the spelling. Yes? S-W. Very good. Come on, everyone. S-W-E-A-T-E-R. What's it? Sweater. Wow. We wear sweater during winters. We also wear jacket. See? See the jacket? You also wear jacket, not during winters? Very good. So we wear woolen clothes during winters. Can you tell me, come on, who will tell me which animal give us wool? Which animal give us wool? Come on. Very nice. Come on, loudly. Read loudly. Come on. Tell me loudly. Which animal give us wool? Sheep. Wow, sheep is hair. Your sheep is hair. See? What's the spelling of sheep? S-H-E-E-P. Come on, repeat after me, everyone. Aiza Lateef, repeat loudly, everyone. S-H-E-E-P. Come on, 3 times. 1, sheep. Come on. S-H-E-E-P. Second one. S-H-E-E-P. Third one. S-H-E-E-P. Very good. So, see, we get wool from sheep. ये देख रहे हो ना, the hair of the sheep. ये निकाला जाता है, and then it's taken to the factory. ये, this is the hair of the sheep. ये निकाला जाता है, and then it's taken to the factory to make the woolen clothes. So my dear kids, we get wool from, yes, yes, sheep. Very good. Do you like the sheep? Do you like the sheep? Very good, my lovely kids. I know you're my superb kids. So my dear kids, let's talk about now during this rainy clothes. See, my dear kids, in rainy season, we wear clothes that keep our body dry. बारिश होती है ना बहुत. See, what is this girl carrying? क्या इसके हाथ में? हाथ में क्या है इसको? Umbrella. क्या है इसके? Umbrella. Very good. Umbrella. So do you like to carry umbrella? Yes. Do you like to carry umbrella? Very good. So in rainy season, we wear raincoat, we wear gumboot. See the gumboot here. I'm showing you gumboot. See? See the gumboot? Which color is this? Which color is this? Come on, everyone. Which color is this? Red. Very nice. You're my superb kids. So we wear gumboot, we wear raincoat. It keeps our body dry. We also carry umbrella, no? See, I'm showing you umbrella. Wow, which color is this? Come on, everyone, which color is this? Red. So during rainy season, we carry umbrella. See, we wear raincoat, we use gumboot, isn't it? We also wear gumboot now. Yes, my lovely kids. So these are the three main things which we use during the rainy season. We wear raincoat, we wear also gumboot, we carry umbrella during the rainy season. Okay, my lovely kids? So, my dear kids, do you know, sometimes we have to wear some special clothes when we go for work or when you go to school. So, what's that special cloth called? क्या बोलते हैं उसको? जब आप स्कूल जाते हो क्या लगाते हो? क्या लगाते हो? Uniform. Very good. See the uniform? Sometimes we have to wear some special clothes, and these special clothes are called uniform, isn't it? When you go to school, you also wear uniform, na? आप भी लगाते हो ना uniform जब school जाते हो? So, what's the spelling of uniform? U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform. So my dear kids, similarly, doctors, nurse, lawyer, they also wear different uniform when they go for their work, isn't it? So these special clothes are called uniform. My lovely kids, see, you have to always remember this thing. Whenever you wear clothes, it should be very clean, neat, tidy, and well ironed. Wearing clean clothes keep you healthy. It's not necessary to wear always new clothes, but always wear clean clothes. Okay, my dear kids? Yes, very good. So now tell me, my dear kids, what you learned in this lesson. Yes, what you learned in this lesson. First of all, we learned about the cotton clothes. Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to protect our body from heat, rain, dust, and insect bites, isn't it? Also from insect bites, no? If we don't wear clothes, what will happen? Come on. They will bite us. These insects will bite us and we will fall sick. So clothes protect us from heat, rain, dust, and insect bites. So my dear kids, we wear different clothes in different seasons. In summers, we wear cotton clothes. We wear cotton clothes in summers. We get cotton from cotton plant. We get cotton from cotton plant. Very nice. And during winters, we wear woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes in winters. Very good. And which animal give us wool? Which animal give us wool, my lovely kids? Which animal give us wool? Yes? Which animal give us wool? Very good. We get wool from sheep. Very good. We get wool from sheep. See? इसको ये remove किया जाता है. It is the hair of the sheep. We remove this hair of the sheep, then it's taken to the factory to make the woolen clothes. So my dear kids, in rainy season, we wear gumboots, we wear raincoat, we also use umbrella, isn't it? We should always wear neat and clean clothes. Wearing neat and clean clothes keep us healthy. Okay, my lovely kids? Okay? Now, my dear kids, it's time for feedback. Are you ready for feedback? Are you ready for feedback? If yes, say loudly, yes, teacher, we are ready. Are you ready for feedback? Very nice, very nice. I know you're my superb kids. So be ready, everyone. See who is with us? See who is with us? Wow, someone is with me. See, I'm showing you. Wait. I'm going to show you who's with me. Yes, wait. Wow, your friend. Who is with me? Yes? बोलते हैं, कौन है ये? Mickey, your friend. Say hi to Mickey. Say hi to Mickey. Hi everyone. He's saying hi. Hi everyone. Very good. See, your friend is so happy. So happy. इसने आपको देखा ना, ये बहुत खुश हो गया. See, your friend is so happy. So, my dear kids, Mickey is going to ask you some questions. Are you ready? Are you ready, all of you? Yes. Okay. Let's start. Let's start. So, our first question is, let me unmute any of the kid. Okay. Zakia Arif. Zakia Arif, ma'am, please unmute Zakia Arif.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, my lovely kid. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Alhamdulillah.
Very good. Very good. Awesome. See, my dear kids, do you know your friend Mickey is here? He wants to ask you some questions. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. See your question. Why do we wear clothes?
We wear clothes to protect our body from heat, cold, rain, and dust.
Very nice, my lovely kid. Clap for yourself. Come on, clap for yourself. My lovely kid. Okay, beta, quickly tell me what's the spelling of heat?
Heat.
Very nice. Okay, what's the spelling of cold?
Cold.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Super. My lovely kid, my lovely kid. Thank you, beta. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, my doll. Okay. Now, let me unmute any of the kids here. See, our next question is Mohammed Numair. Beta, please unmute your mic. Mohammed Numair, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, beta. How are you? How are you? Yes, beta, how are you?
I am fine.
Very good. Give me a big smile. Okay. Now, beta, see, your question is, which clothes do we wear in summer season?
We wear cotton clothes in summer season.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. We get cotton from?
Cotton plants.
Very good. Okay. What's the spelling of cotton?
Cotton.
Awesome. Awesome. Beta, clap for yourself loudly. Clap for yourself. Very good. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Awesome. My lovely kid. Thank you, beta. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, my cute kid. Okay, the next question is, okay, first of all, let me unmute any kid. Anshra Bilal. Yes, Anshra Bilal. Anshra Bilal, beta, do you hear me?
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam, my doll. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Alhamdulillah. Okay, what's the color of your dress? You have wear something, no? See, t-shirt like. What's the color of your dress?
Red.
Very nice. You're looking so beautiful. My doll, you're looking so beautiful. See, okay. Now, see, your question is, Mickey wants to ask you some questions. Your question is, which clothes do we wear in winter season?
We wear woolen clothes in winter season.
My God, awesome. Okay, beta, what's the spelling of woolen?
W.
Yes.
O.
Very
O.
good, very good.
OOLLEN.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. Superb, superb. My lovely kid, my lovely kid. Give me a big smile.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, very good. May God bless you all. Thank you, beta. Thank you so much. Okay, so Mickey wants to ask you who will let me check. Okay, Ahmed Fayaz. Let me unmute Ahmed Fayaz. Yes, Ahmed Fayaz, do you hear me, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. How's my boy? How are you, beta? Yes, Ahmed Fayaz, how are you?
Ma'am.
Alhamdulillah, I'm good. How are you? Beta, say a bit louder.
How are you, ma'am?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good. I'm good. Okay, beta, see your question. Your question is, what do we need to cover our body?
We need clothes to cover our body.
Very nice, very nice. And what's the spelling of clothes?
CLOTHES.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. My lovely kid, my lovely kid. Okay, beta, clap for yourself loudly. Very good, very good. Thank you, beta. Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Thank you, my prince. Okay, the next one. Let me unmute. Amar Hazari. Amar Hazari, beta. Muhammad Amar Hazari.
Assalamualaikum, teacher.
Walaikum assalam, my cute boy. How are you?
I am fine, alhamdulillah.
You're looking very beautiful. Alhamdulillah, I'm good. You're looking very beautiful. My handsome boy, you're looking very beautiful.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, so your question is, do you like this Mickey? First tell me, do you like this Mickey?
Yes.
Okay, so Mickey wants to ask his question. Which animal gives us wool?
Sheep.
Very good. Okay, come on, tell me.
S-H-E-E-P, sheep.
Very nice, awesome, superb. You're so quick. Very good. Okay, now tell me, which clothes do we wear in summer season?
We wear cotton clothes in summer season.
Very nice, very nice. Beta, come on, clap for yourself loudly. Very nice, very nice.
Teacher.
You're my lovely kid. Thank you, beta. Thank you so much. Okay, so the next question is, okay, first of all, let me unmute Mubaira. Mubaira, beta, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
See, Mubaira, beta, your question is, see, what do we wear in winters to protect our feet?
Socks.
Very good, socks. Okay, what do we wear in winters to protect our hands? Yes.
Cap.
Hands.
Gloves.
Very good, gloves, very good. Thank you, beta. Thank you so much.
Mittens.
Yes?
Gloves.
You're looking very pretty. You're looking very pretty. Thank you, beta. So,
Thank you so much.
thank you, my lovely girl. Okay, Anshra Bilal. Okay, beta. Awaleen Shabi. Okay, Awaleen Shabi. Yes, Awaleen Shabir. Do you hear me? Yes, big doll.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam, my doll. See, how are you? How are you, beta?
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam, my cute doll. How are you? Are you fine? Okay, beta, now you tell me, what do you wear while going to school? Yes? Awaleen Shabir, do you hear me? Awaleen? Beta, what do you wear while going to school?
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum salam, beta, I'm getting your voice. My question is, what do you wear while going to school? Okay, I will come to you at last. So, okay, beta, I will come to you at last. Okay, no issue. So come on, I will unmute any of the kid here. Now let's move on. Hamza Malik. Hamza Malik. Yes, Hamza Malik, do you hear me? Hamza Malik, beta, do you hear me? Hamza Malik. Okay, let's move on. Okay, So, let's move on. Let me unmute any of the kids here. Arshwani, beta unmute your mic. Arshwani.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, Peter, you tell me, what do you wear while going to school?
We wear clothes.
हाँ, which type of clothes? क्या पहनते हो जब स्कूल जाते हो ना, क्या लगाते हो आप?
Uniform.
Very good, very good. Okay, which clothes do we wear in summer season?
We wear cotton clothes in summer season.
Excellent, excellent. My lovely kid, my lovely kid. Thank you so much, beta. Thank you so much.
Thank you, teacher.
So, Hamza Malik, do you hear me? Okay, let's move on. Let's move on. Okay, so Awali Shabir. Okay, let me unmute any of the kid. Hamna Jan, beta unmute your mic. Hamna Jan.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam, my cute doll. Okay, you tell me, which animal gives us wool?
Sheep.
Very good, very good. Excellent. Okay, come on, tell me the spelling of sheep.
S-H-E-E-P.
Very nice. S-H-E-E-P. Very good, very good. My lovely kid. Thank you, my doll. Thank you so much. Okay, let me unmute. See? Okay, Mohammad Zaid Chaudhry, beta unmute yourself. Mohammad Zaid Chaudhry, beta unmute yourself. Walaikum assalam. Okay, beta, you tell me, how are you first? How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are
Very
you, ma'am?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good. See, your Mickey wants to ask you some questions. See? Okay, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. What do you wear to protect yourself from rain?
Raincoat.
Very nice, very nice. Raincoat. Excellent, excellent. My lovely kid. Okay, can you tell me the spelling of raincoat?
R-A-R-A-C-O-A-T coat.
Please, beta, repeat it again.
R-A-R-A-C-O-A-T coat.
Awesome, 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 awesome. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself, my lovely kid. Very good, very good. Thank you, beta. Thank you so much. Okay. Ajwad, beta, unmute your mic, Ajwad. Do you hear me?
Yes.
Ajwad?
Yes,
Okay, beta, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, beta. So your question is, what do we need to cover our body? Yes. What do we need to cover our body?
मैम फिर से रिपीट कीजिए.
Okay. What do you wear to cover our body? हम क्या लगाते हैं बॉडी को कवर करने के लिए?
We wear clothes.
Very nice. To cover our body. Very good. Very good. Okay. Which clothes do we wear in summer season?
We wear clothes.
Which clothes do we wear in summer season? Summer में क्या लगाते हैं? कौन से कपड़े लगाते हैं?
We wear cotton clothes in summer season.
Excellent, excellent. My lovely kid. Clap for yourself. Come on, quickly, quickly. Very good, very good. My lovely kid. Okay. So let's move on. Ayan Khan, beta unmute your mic. Ayan Khan. Walaikum assalam, my cute boy. So you tell me, how are you first? How are you? How are you? Beta?
How are you, ma'am?
Okay. Mickey wants to ask you some question. Okay, you tell me, which clothes do we wear in winter season? Yes?
We wear
Yes, beta?
woolen
Hmm?
in winter.
wear woolen clothes in winter. Very nice. Okay. Which animal give us wool? Come on. Which animal give us wool? Yes, quickly.
Sheep.
Very good. Can you tell me the
Sheep.
spelling of sheep? Can you tell me the spelling of sheep?
SHEEP. Sheep.
Awesome. Awesome. Fantastic. You're my lovely kid. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself loudly. Clap for yourself loudly. Very nice. Very nice. May God bless you all. Okay. Let's move on. So, Aiza Latif, beta unmute your mic. Aiza Latif.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
How are you, my doll? Walaikum assalam. How are you, my doll?
How are you, ma'am?
Alhamdulillah, I'm too good. Okay, beta, you tell me, why do we wear clothes?
We wear clothes to protect heat, cold,
To protect our
rain, dust, and insects.
very good. We wear clothes to protect our body from heat, cold, dust, rain, and insect bite. Very good. Thank you, beta. Thank you. Okay, let's move on. Amanat Aftab, beta, unmute your mic. Amanat Aftab, beta, unmute your mic.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam, my cute doll. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Alhamdulillah.
Okay, beta, you tell me, which animal give us wool? Yes? Wool कौन देता है हमें?
शाबाश ऊंची आवाज में बोलो
Sheep gives us wool.
Very good. Sheep gives us wool. Very good. Very good. This sheep gives us wool. Very nice. Sheep gives us wool. Thank you, beta. Thank you so much. Thank you, my cute doll. Okay. Let's move on. Hafsa Tufail. Hafsa Tufail, beta, unmute your mic.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam, my doll. How are you?
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, beta. You tell me, why do we wear clothes? Yes, quickly. Why do we wear clothes? Yes, my doll.
Our body from heat,
Huh?
cold, rain, and dust.
Very nice. Very nice. Very good. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you, my doll. Okay. Now let's move on. Aiza Waheed, beta, unmute your mic. Aiza Waheed, beta, unmute your mic.
Good evening.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. See, beta, your Mickey wants to ask you some questions. See,
Yes,
woolen
ma'am.
clothes. Okay, woolen clothes keep us cool. Is it true or false?
False, ma'am. Woolen
Okay, the right
clothes
answer,
keep
the
us
right answer.
warm.
Yes,
Woolen
beta.
clothes keep us warm.
Very nice. Very nice. And what is the spelling of warm?
WARM.
Awesome. Awesome, my cute doll. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Clap for yourself loudly. Clap for yourself loudly. Loudly. Very nice. Very nice. Give me a big smile. Give me a big smile. My cute doll. You're my lovely kids. Okay. Let's move on. Abdul Aleem Chanda. Beta, unmute your mic. Abdul Aleem. Yes.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam. Okay, beta, you tell me. Okay, I'm giving you 3 options. You will select one, okay? Which of these clothes, see, which of these clothes we wear, do you wear on your hands? First option is muffler, second is blouse, third is socks. Which one is right?
Option B is the correct answer. That is
Very nice. So the answer is yes, we wear
ma'am.
blouse. Very good, very
We
good.
wear- Ma'am.
Listen to her.
Thank you, beta. Thank you so much.
मैम
Yes. Yes.
पता है और मुझे रोज रोज पूछा खाना
Okay, my boy. Okay, my boy. You're my cute boy. Okay, okay. Okay, so let's move on. Aiza Javed, beta unmute your mic.
यस मैम
So beta, your question is, in this season, we wear woolen clothes. किस season में हम woolen clothes लगा लेते हैं?
विंटर में
Very nice, very nice, very nice. We wear woolen clothes in winter season. Very good, very good. Awesome. Thank you, my doll. Thank you so much. Okay, Maisha Jan, beta unmute your mic. Yes. Maisha Jan, beta unmute your mic.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम
Walaikum assalam, my cute doll. How are you?
मैम
Well, Alhamdulillah, I'm good. How are you?
आई एम फाइन
Okay, beta, you tell me, which clothes do we wear in summer season?
we wear cotton clothes in summer season
Very nice, very nice. And we get cotton from, yes? We get cotton from,
cotton plant
very good. We get cotton from cotton plant. See? See the cotton plant? Do you like this plant? Do you like this plant?
yes ma'am
See, we
I
get
like
cotton,
ma'am
we get cotton from cotton plant. See, then it's taken to the factory to make the cotton clothes. Okay, thank you, my doll. Thank you.
thank you ma'am
Okay, let's move on. Malik Muhammad Sadan, beta unmute your mic.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम
Walaikum assalam. Okay, beta. How are you? How are you? How are you?
fine how are you ma'am
Alhamdulillah, I'm good. Okay, beta, you tell me, which animal give us wool?
sheep
Very good, very good. What's the spelling of sheep?
SHEEP
Very nice, very nice. Awesome, awesome. My lovely kid. Okay, you tell me, what do we wear to protect ourselves from rain? हम क्या लगाते हैं ऊपर rain से बचने के लिए?
umbrella
What do we wear? Very good, very good. Raincoat. Awesome, awesome. My lovely kid. Thank you, beta. Thank you.
thank you ma'am
Thank you, thank you. Okay, so let's move on. Mir Safan Feroz, beta unmute your mic.
Assalamualaikum ma'am
Walaikum assalam, my boy. How are you?
we are fine I am alhamdulillah
I am fine, alhamdulillah. Very good, very good. Okay, beta, you tell me, which clothes do we wear in summer season?
we wear cotton clothes we
In summer season. Come on, repeat after me again. We wear cotton clothes in summer
cotton
season.
clothes summer season
Very good. Okay, beta, can you tell me the spelling of cotton?
COTTON
Very good. But beta, please repeat the spelling again. Yes? Yes,
Yes.
yes, come on. Cotton.
COTTON
Very good. Cotton. COTTON. Okay, thank you. Thank you, my boy. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on. You all are my superb kids. My lovely kids. Okay, Rehnuma Bilal, beta unmute your mic. Rehnuma Bilal, beta unmute your mic.
Assalamualaikum ma'am
Walaikum assalam, my princess. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Okay, beta, you tell me, which clothes do we wear in winter?
We wear woolen clothes in winter season.
Very nice, very nice. Awesome, awesome. We wear woolen clothes in winter season. Okay, can you tell me the spelling of woolen? Yes,
WOON.
WOOLLEN. Come on, repeat after me. Yes,
WOOLLEN.
again, beta, again.
WOOLLEN.
LLEN. Beta, you learn the spelling again. Okay, my doll? Okay, my doll? My lovely kid. You're my cute doll. Okay, let's move on. You all are my lovely kids. Okay, Zikra Zahra. Beta, unmute your mic. Zikra Zahra, beta, unmute your mic. Do you hear me, Zikra? Okay. So we're running out of time. So my dear kids, this was all for today. You now learn now why do we wear clothes? Yes, we wear clothes to protect our body from heat, rain, cold, dust, and insect bites. Okay, my lovely kids? We wear cotton clothes in summer season. We wear woolen clothes in winter season. We get cotton from cotton plants. Okay, and we get wool from sheep. Very good. So this was all for today. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, my little kids. Bye. Wave your hands. Wave your hands. Wave your hand to me. Come on. Bye, my lovely kids. Give me a big smile. Give me a big smile. Bye. May God bless you all. May God bless you all. Bye. Bye, everyone. See you next time, inshallah. Bye. Take care. Take care of yourselves. Stay blessed.